Molar Vibrasats, Power X's, Pure Sculpts, Microaires, new vags, whatever you want. We have them all here at the Doctor's Toy Store. Right over here, these are the towers for the molar medical, and these have the suction, the infiltrator, the handpiece cannulas. They come complete turnkey. A lot of people only need the power, and that would be the handpiece, the box, and the foot pedals. That's it. This here is the suction and the infiltrator. This is a high-end infiltrator, and this one will do less damage to the cells than anybody. Molar is known to have the best infiltration as far as killing stem cells. They're rather expensive, but that's what these are. So whether you're looking for a Microaire or a molar, a repair, handpiece, cord, whatever it is, call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877 DRS Toys. Call today. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.